And there's Poco. Being cute. And huge. And cute. And fighting with her brothers and sisters. Yeah. Does your brother chew his face? Or you can attack my old. Oh, there's a good one of him. He's wonderful. Yes, he is. He's beautiful too. And there's Poco. Chewing my leg and my shoe. Hey, kiddo. Couple more pictures of you before you scamper. No, you're too close again. Oh, too close again. Let's see. There you are. There you are. And now you're too close again. Aww. I'm so tired. Him needs a nap. It's a very big deal to have. Oh, now he's going to go get his face beat up by his sister. Maybe not. Hey, baby.